In the last two tutorials, we have seen how to install R console and R studio, right? So I'll open one by one both and show you what's the difference and how to use them. So first go to your program search. Here search for R. Here you will see this R 4.5.2. If you are seeing this tutorial in later time and you have installed some later on different version, then you will be able to see that version here. So this is the R interpreter, right? I will open it and you will see this console here. Here this is like command line or console. Whatever command you will be running here, that will be at one time command and you will be running it, right? So this is how it is working. Now I will go again to my program search and here I will be searching for R Studio. And R Studio is basically something, as I told you in the previous lecture or previous tutorial, R Studio will only work if you have installed R interpreter in your system. Without installing R interpreter, if you are trying to work in R Studio, it will not work. So here you will see three different sections or three different panes. This pane, this is the console, as it is same as the console I show you in the previous window. This is the same thing. You just type some command here, execute it at one by one, right? It will not execute at like multiple commands at one go, correct? This is your environment, global environment. It will store the objects, and where we can, this is where we are going to see how we can store objects just by running things into the environment, right? And this is where we will see them and we can access the objects, right? Like data frames. Now below this, here you will see some kind of folder structures here under the files. Plots may you will be able to see the plots, different packages you will be able to see here what all are installed in the R package, right? This help you will see some kind of documentation links here, and like presentation and view are different sections you can see. Now if you want to create some kind of R script, right? For that, under file, you can open one new file and you can create new files and all. Under new file you can add R script, right? As this is the plus icon here. If you click here R script, you will be able to see this R script here. So here you can type multiple commands and execute them at one go, right? For example, if I type the same command that we typed here in the console, 25 plus 5, then I will type some other command, right? Control A, right click, and you will see some options. Like here, if you click Control A and you can click on run, it will run it here, right? Let me just show you, let me just remove it this way and try to execute it again. You will see the output of both the commands, 25 plus 5 and 15 plus 5, right? Here you will see terminal, background jobs if there are any background jobs running, right? Here if you go to console, the output will be coming here. So this is about your R Studio, and from the further tutorials we will be working on different kinds of functions, different operators, and all the other libraries, data frames, and all. So stay tuned to this tutorial, to this playlist and the channel for the upcoming videos on data analytics and data science.